All right, do it yourself. So I have an AC problem. I recently changed the compressor, a new compressor, and a new condenser. I have a new condenser, new compressor, and it was working fine. But now I have an issue. It's blowing hot air instead of cold air when I turn off the AC. So I'm trying to find out where the leak is. I know it's a leak issue because when I fill it like one can of Freon, the A134, it works good. And after a while, 3 days, it's not giving me, cold air. It's blowing hot air. I thought the condenser have a leak, but it doesn't have any leaks. And I search anywhere the lines, the hoses, the high pressure and the low pressure lines. I search all over. Where can I find a leak? Expansion valve, the front and the bed side, the sleeper side, there is no any leak. Guess what? I modify myself. I make this tool to pump air into the system. So yeah, I use this tool. I just bought it from Harbor Freight, and I just put it in the low side valve and pump it. Okay, this is the outside. Just pump it. Pump it some 10 psi or 15 psi. Just pump it up to 10 psi. I don't know if it's visible, if you can see it. So from there you just bring soap and water, then spray everywhere that you think there is a leak. I already found the leak, but for this video purpose I just sprayed everywhere. Guess what, where the leak is? Compressor. It's blown there. So that's weird. A new compressor which is blown. Have maybe 3-4 months since I changed it. No good. No good. All right, take care. Have a wonderful day. I hope someone have this kind of issue, get some ideas. No, do it yourself. I will change the compressor. I will order or buy from the local dealers, and we go from there. Have a good day.